Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a stunning glow effect in CapCut. So make sure to watch until the end to learn all the steps to make your video shine. Let's dive in. First, open the CapCut and start a new project by tapping New Project, which is at the top. Now select the video clip you want to edit. After that, click on Add, which is in the bottom right corner. Next, you will see row of options appear at the bottom of the screen. So swipe left until you find Effects. Click on it. Now in the effects menu, you can see these three different options. So click on video effects and scroll to the left to find retro. Scroll through the available effects until you find retro blue. So tap on this retro blue effect to apply it to your video clip. Now you can customize this effect to get the perfect look. And to do this, tap on the retro blue in the timeline to open the adjustment options. Here you can use these sliders to change the intensity. Now here to achieve the blur effect, increase the blur and move the filter sliders to 0. And once you're satisfied, click on this check mark in the bottom right corner. Now make sure that this glow effect appears on your entire video. For this, drag the edges of the effect to extend it over to the entire duration of your video. Now to adjust your clip, click on Adjust from the menu below. Here you will find various settings and you can tweak to enhance your videos such as brightness, contrast, saturation. You can adjust all of these according to your video. By increasing the highlights, it will give you a more glow effect. Also increase the temperature. And once you're satisfied with the glow effect, tap on the check mark to confirm your changes. And now you can preview your video to see how the glow effect looks in action. And when you're happy with the result, tap on the export button in the top right corner to save your video. And that's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.